Tigers are majestic and powerful animals known for their strength, agility, and solitary nature. They are carnivorous apex predator, often at the top of the food chain in their habitats. Tigers typically prefer dense forests, grasslands, and wetlands, where they use their stealth and strength to hunt for prey like deer, wild boar, and smaller animals. Tigers are solitary creatures marking large territories that they defend against other of their kind. They are also known for their distinctive orange coats with black stripes, which provide camouflage in their natural environments. While tigers are known for their independence, mother tigers are very protective and nurturing toward their cubs until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Despite their precious reputation, tigers are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict, which makes conservation efforts vital to their survival.